Ma'am, good afternoon. How you came to know about OxyPlus?
Hi ma'am, good
Mm,
afternoon.
mm,
So about Oxyplus is like my sister used to come to Dr. CB,
mm,
and then she told me like even Dr. Priya does a good thing for wellness and for
mm,
skin also,
Detox.
detox and
Mm,
everything.
mm,
So once you just show her because you have skin issues,
mm,
and then she brought me over here, and
mm.
then I met you, and then after doing everything, I feel much more effect in my body,
Very good.
and I'm also happy with the
You're
results.
happy with the results.
Yes.
And may know when we started the treatment, ma'am. It's exactly a year back, I think
Yes,
so.
exactly a year back.
So okay. So hope you're feeling your sister decision was the right decision.
Yeah, that is the best decision. She
Best
told
decision.
me, you trust me 100%. I
Mm.
am taking you to the right doctor. She will cure you slowly by slowly, but the results will come slowly and you will be happy.
It's
So,
almost
right
in.
now, so I
Mm,
can see that my skin issues are 75% perfect and I'm happy.
mm,
Even with the IV sessions and enema and everything, I feel
mm.
everything is the gut problem, everything, other issues are being cleared
And we
well.
address the root cause.
Yes, and the
Mm.
root cause was also addressed very well, and it is done perfectly. And even the regular therapy also has been taken place today,
So
so
you
that
took
also
all
I'm
the
happy.
cocktail
So
treatments.
all the treatments mixed together, I have been taking, and I've
Mixing.
been following everything
Very good,
regularly.
very good, very good. And I wanted to share you one more thing also. So initially we were discussing with the blood reports.
Yeah.
So you were like, doctor, you are quite skeptical whether
Yes.
it is addressed, whether this problem is completely curable, whether this problem is have a complete solution.
Yeah.
So I told you that it will take time, ma.
Yes.
So even if it is taking time, we'll wait for the end results. But you never lost hope. You
Yes.
just followed the protocols.
Yes.
So I have to thank for you because usually people will say even if it is taking time, they don't come, they don't show
Yeah.
up, they will take a break, and you are
After the break, also they'll be like, "No, ma'am, we can't see the results."
even
So,
last 2 weeks before you came to OxyPlus to meet Dr. CB. I told like don't miss the sessions, just
So
come
I
for.
came specially with my sister. She had a session. She told me come. Then I saw you, and then I was like, no, ma'am. Once you see my back,
Okay,
so my back is important for me right now. So that
understood.
also was there. So
Hmm.
then I came, and then you were like, next time you come, you take I
Detox.
detox and
Hmm.
all that you do together.
Hmm.
So that's also done. So now I can see the results is like 75% in my whole body. If I can tell you, at least 75% result I can see.
Miraculous,
That is
miraculous.
miracle only because of you, and I'm happy that I came to Oxyplus and I'm
So
doing
I'm
it.
grateful, da. I'm grateful to you. May I know your sister name, please?
Hiral,
Sorry,
Hiral Meher.
Hiral Meher. And she came to know about OxyPlus through whom?
She came to know through Nupur.
Ah, Nupur. She is the tree, right?
She is the tree. She suggested Hiral for thing, and then Hiral suggested me you. So
Huh.
that is the tree planting, and
Tree
then
is growing.
but the only thing is if people follow regularly, then only you can see effects.
Hmm.
Otherwise, if you stop in the between, then there is no results.
No
Then again
results
you have to start from the
from the
beginning, which
back
is
one.
very difficult.
So மக்களுக்கு வந்து what this is what people have to know about OxyPlus treatments. They are expecting results like a magic in one day pill. It's not a
Like at
magic.
least it will take 1 year, 2 years, but you
Hmm.
have to wait slow by
Trust the
slow only you will
process.
get the result.
Trust
So
the
I have
process.
seen like how step by step I've taken so many, IV nutrition,
Hmm.
IV iron, everything I've taken so
Hmm.
many. And then I've taken 3 sessions of anima,
Hmm.
one regular therapy session.
And moreover, no, you are purely a vegetarian. So
Yes.
vegetarian are prone for more nutrition deficiency, especially vitamin D. Do you remember that you came to me with a single digit vitamin D?
And with gut issues. That was the
Lot of gut issue.
main concern.
So when after stepping into OxyPlus, what are three things with respect to your health issue you felt better?
So I felt better in my gut issues.
Very good.
I felt better in my immunity.
Very good.
Even I felt better in my skin issues, what I had. So that is drastically changed.
Hmm.
So I had issues like 100%, but
Hmm.
from that, at least I can see 75% result in my skin issues and overall
It's a
health.
complete cure.
Complete
There
cure.
is no recurrence also.
No.
So I have to thank your mother also because she is the right person to take care of you because
Yeah.
whatever the medicines I'm giving, she's giving it to you regularly, right?
Yes.
So
So that's
this
why I can see the
see the
difference in
cells.
my health
And
also.
this video is dedicated to Nupur and your sister and to your
Yeah.
mother. Okay. So
Yeah.
finally, Oxy Plus in one word. What do you say?
Oxyplus is a magic for me.
Magic.
That's all I can say. It is a magic for me, which has changed me drastically in my overall health.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So it's an eye-opening video for the people who are searching for the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank
I
you.
will definitely suggest if anyone else is having any other issues like this, I will definitely suggest them Oxyplus.
And how about the cost effective? Do you feel it is effective?
Yeah, I feel it's better than other places. Like other places is quite expensive, I feel, but this is much better. See, if you feel this is also expensive, then I'm sorry, then I can't do anything because this is the only rate people can afford. If more than this, people cannot afford.
And if you give time and money for the wellness, you don't have to suffer for the illness.
Yes,
That's
you don't have
my
to go
take.
for more higher treatments and any other treatments like major things and all. So
That's
this is the
the-
best thing. This is a natural way you can cure your own self.
Natural way. That's the
Natural
best
way of curing your own self for your whole body.
Mm.
Your skin issues, or if you have any related issues with your joints and anything, so this is the best part. Instead
Best
of going for
place.
any surgery or anything, this is the best thing
And
you
you're
can
meeting
do.
Dr. Sibi also, your sister's meeting Dr.
Yeah,
Sibi.
my sister's
And
meeting
I have to
Sibi.
take a video testimonial from her also. It's
Yeah,
okay,
so
fine.
CB doctor has also done the best thing for. So she has also like almost 70% she has cured herself.
Pain.
Yeah, from back pain, leg pain, and everything.
Mm.
Still, leg pains and all will be there, but that is you have to do regular exercise and everything is there. Then only you can cure yourself.
But the quality of life is
Life
improved.
is much more better than before.
Much more better than before. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm thankful to Nupur because of the seed she
Planted.
made it, the planted. It is growing.
Growing. That's when me and my sister came
And,
to know, and we are
I'll tell you
here
one thing.
today.
Nupur also sent almost Nupur family, Nupur husband, everyone.
Yeah.
Almost like a family.
She told me
Uh,
only one thing. See, I'm suggesting you blindly. You can trust me, and you can go to her. Other things to
Blindly.
live on the doctor. She will do the best thing she can do for you, and I'm sure you will get the best results from her. And you will thank me and her both together.
so now we are thanking her.
I am thanking you, and I have to thank her also now for the
Please.
results that I am getting from when she suggested me the
Please.
right doctor.
Please pass on to her.
Yes,
This
sure.
is like a gratitude video to Nupur. Thank you.
Yes, sure.